Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Bullish yearn.finance, EFI, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $50,287.77 and $109,515.60 by 2030. Market experts accept EFI could reach $50,287.77 by 2025. Bearish yearn.finance market cost expectation for 2022 is $8,940.05. Yearn.finance, EFI, Introduction. Yearn.finance is an aggregator administration for financial backers in decentralized finance, DeFi, empowering them to increment yield cultivating profit through robotization. It intends to rearrange the always growing DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the people who favor less committal collaborations than proficient merchants. The help, referred to at first as yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had hazardous development throughout the course of recent months as new products have showed up and engineers have delivered the EFI token. In this video, I'll take a gander at some new EFI value expectations and endeavor to figure where the resources cost may be going from now on. What makes yearn.finance unique? Yearn.finance is a novel stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn.finance likewise has its local token, EFI, which is utilized to control the stage and give liquidity to clients. EFI tokens can be traded on various trades. What compels yearn.finance stand apart from different stages in the space is its attention on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind yearn.finance has made a framework that permits clients to expand their profits via naturally putting their assets in the most beneficial conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been extraordinarily effective up to this point and has assisted yearn.finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes yearn.finance one of a kind is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including brilliant agreements, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to customary unified monetary organizations. A key element that makes yearn.finance exceptional is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients take their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure compensations from partaking in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their charges. Yearn.finance, EFI, Technical Analysis. The EFI cost has been on a bull run since it was first sent off in mid-February 2020. EFI is a decentralized money, DeFi, token that drives the yearn.finance convention. The convention offers yield cultivating administrations and permits clients to acquire interest on their crypto resources. EFI is a local badge of the yearn.finance convention and is expected to get to its administrations. It additionally gives clients casting a ballot rights on the stage and empowers them to take part in administration choices. The complete stock of EFI is fixed at 36,666 tokens, and there won't ever be any more made. This makes it a deflationary resource that could build its worth over the long run as request develops. The EFI's cost expectation framework depends on verifiable information, specialized, and crucial examination. Do your own exploration, and don't take the EFI cost conjecture as monetary exhortation. Yearn.finance, EFI, current price. There are a couple of key factors that are driving EFI's cost higher. To begin with, yearn.finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, a stylish better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of yearn.finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for EFI tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like EFI. As an ever-increasing number of clients run to decentralized finance conventions, the interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the primary drivers of ETH's cost rally lately. Yearn.finance is at present worth $11,175.06 United States dollars. ETH has moved 1.72% as of now with an exchanging volume of $72,364,134. Yearn.finance is at present position 99 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $409,428,773 United States dollars. Using the General Strength Record, RSI, Moving Weighted Normal, MWA, Williams Fractal, and Moving Normal Combination Uniqueness, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for yearn.finance, ETH, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Yearn.finance, ETH, Price Prediction 2022. Yearn.finance, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, ETH. The ETH cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $16,762.59. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $15,645.09 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $13,410.07. Yearn.finance, ETH, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Yearn.finance ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $27,937.65. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $22,350.12 and a typical exchanging cost of $24,585.13. Yearn.finance, ETH, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $39,112.71 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost